if you believe with Roman Catholics and Reformed and Lutheran theologians that Adam's sin and guilt is imputed to every individual human being descended from Adam, then infants and the mentally disabled are going to also need salvation to be applied to them in some way because they carry the guilt of Adam's sin. On the other hand, if, like me, you're not persuaded that this doctrine is biblical, then infants and the mentally retarded are not born sinful, and therefore have no sin that needs to be pardoned or forgiven. And I think this is in accord with Jesus' attitude toward children. When you look at how Jesus regarded children, he said, unless you become like a little child, you will not see the kingdom of God. But these children who have faith in me, such is the kingdom of God. So he, I think, clearly believed that these little children were saved, were the recipients of God's salvation. And that would make much better sense than, I think, saying that they were all born vile and corrupted sinners.